Yeah, I figure I'd take 2 cameras with me, do my vlog, and maybe finish off with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, get a couple of shots, do a different vlog, and share it separately. I'm taking a shot of a boat. He had his lights on, and got him while riding towards his aft, and he pulled over, and maybe we'll see what he's came in with, what type of catch. And the fishing boats are still out, as you can see as I pan around for you. And there you go, getting ready to go out on a beautiful day, and we're waiting for the sunrise to pop up. Now I like using different cameras different times, or combining both cameras and sharing it. It's not all just about having one camera or all cameras or some cameras. It's about having fun with the cameras you got. As I ride along, I'm looking for a rope, and I don't see the rope anywhere to be found. And that means the sailboat has been taken up, and off it went. The rope's still there, sailboat's still there, and filming is still going on. If we hang out for about 2 more minutes, we'll have the sunrise. The sun's coming up in a matter of seconds. And here we are. We got the geese, the ducks, the swans, all in the water, waiting for their food to come on out. The seagulls are flying as well. And let's not forget the pigeons. They're all there, waiting for food, hanging on out in the bay. Maybe a midnight cruise going out, entertainment and gambling on the Atlantis. I've noticed the Coney Island steamboat, no more over here. The tour boat moved on. Fishing, getting ready to go out, refueling, and ice. As we pass on by, safely passing on by. Yes, indeed. I'm heading on down, getting on going, doing what I have to do, and sharing my fun. I hope to see you on the next adventure. Doesn't matter which camera I'm on. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next time. Have a great one.